guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, so for today's video, we will going to unbox and review a gift from Sajola. Sorry for that sound. Okay, so if you're wondering what is Sajola, so basically, Sajola, it is an application that provides a delivery services here in Sorsogon. Sajola, naka-based siya dito sa Sorsogon, and yeah, like what I said, they provide delivery services here and other nearby brands, Albay, especially in Talaga. It is, you know, para lang siya, sorry again for that sound, para lang siyang Shopee and Lazada. Pero yung Shopee, diba, may mga GNT, Lazada, like that. And sila, may sarili na, they own their delivery agents, and at the same time, they have application. And ito yan, you can download it on Google Play Store, and or you can visit their website. So yeah. And also, they have YouTube channel. Please check this out. I will be posting the link of their YouTube channel in the description box below. So if you are new to my everyday and every other day vlog, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. And also, please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts below. Instagram at Sorsogon, and Facebook there's Havana. And without further ado, let's unbox and review. But before we jump out to the main video, I will do my makeup first. So yeah. So for our foundation, I will be using this Everbalance like Ultra Liquid Foundation.
This is in the shade Poweder.
Guys, I'm now done with my base and I'm about to do my eyeshadow, okay? For our eyeshadow, I will be using this one from Beauty Glaze. Yeah.
And for the inner corner of our eyes, I will be using
this shade. These two shades. One and the light blue.
So this is what is foundation. Logo. Animated color.
The solid color. Logo. Sure. I am already done with my look, and now I'm about to unbox the gift. So I will get the box first, okay? Or the gift. So guys, this is the gift from Sajola. Malaking box. And we have a tripod. Kumpara sa ginagamit ko, mas matibay ito. Thank you so much, Sajola. May panibag ng tripod. Then, pang malakas ito, pang professional yung dating. Thank you so much. And I think we should have a formal unboxing of this box. That's gift. So yeah. So by the way, I get this product, I mean this box yesterday. I received this box yesterday. Yeah. So yung so guys, the gift I received from Sajola are ring light. This one, the t-shirt. I think this is a shirt. The Alpas. Yeah. Sure. Yung Alpas na bagong pinapromote na lang. This one, a tripod. And this one. Ring light. I have ring light. And I think kasi laki lang ito ng ring light na ginagamit ko ngayon. I'll show you. So, that's the ring light that I am using right now. Char! Yan po yung ginagamit kong ring light for my Instagram content and for my YouTube. Yeah. So, let's see inside. Oh my goodness. Wow. So, this is the tripod. The ring light. The ring light. 12 shape siya. Curve. Yung sa akin, flat lang yung ganun. Basta. I'm not very technical with this stuff. With this kind of stuff. And kasama pa na yung phone holder. And yeah, that's it. And this one. So, yeah. Yun yung laman ng tripod. Ay, yun yung ring light. Sorry for this not being so informative. And this the t-shirt. They are very eco-friendly. I'll pass yan. They message me about this. So, maraming salamat. Labas kami nagpapasama sa inyong pagtangkilik sa aming product. Ang pag-ibig sa aming product ay isang simbolo ng maalim na support sa ating mga entrepreneurs at may magandang konsuman ng isang pagbabi at pasasalamat ang sa akin. And here's the t-shirt. You deserve happiness. We all deserve happiness. Happiness at your fingertips. Ito yung parang tagline ng Sajola. So, let's open this one. In fairness, maganda yung quality ng t-shirt. Cotton. Okay. And here's the other. Mangtataho. Sabi nga yung Sajola, they support local entrepreneurs. They support local products. So, I love the print. Yeah, very minimalistic, which is a good thing for me because I like minimalistic. Sure, you know what I'm saying, sure. So we will try this. Yeah, and this is a tripod. Oh, sorry guys for nahiya talaga ako magsalita sa harap ng camera. Yeah, mahihayin po talaga ako in person. But, yeah. So sorry for not being informative with this vlog. Sorry for not, this is not very informative vlog, sorry for that, yeah. Here's the tripod. Mas matibay ito sa ginagamit ko ng tripod. At I think mas mahaba pa ito. Okay. Napanood ko na sa YouTube ko kung paano ito gamitin. That way. So guys, ganito kalaki yung tripod. So, ito yung tripod. Malaki ka lang. Hindi ka na. Pwede na sa pag-ibig.
guys, ganito siya. Diba? Diba nakahaba yata? I think mga 6 meters. 6 meters.
that's it. Shopping sa Sajola la 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 Sajola la 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 Sajola. Bumili sa Sajola. Download na download na Sajola. Happiness at your fingertips. Sajola, download now. Hi Sajola, thank you so much for sending me this bloody kit and this t-shirt, and thank you so much for supporting local entrepreneurs and supporting local influencers here in the province of Sorsogon. Thank you so much. God bless and kudos to your team. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. God bless. So this is the part I'm gonna end this video now. Hope you like this look and hope you like this vlog and go back soon. Sorry for not being informative with this vlog because I am really tired. So yeah, see you again on my next video. Bye bye.